Yes, every licensed electrical contractor in Arizona must carry a Registrar of Contractors license bond before the ROC will issue or renew their license. The exact bond amount depends on whether you hold a residential or commercial classification and on your projected annual volume of work. In this video, I'll show you exactly how much that bond costs, who needs one, and what happens if you skip it. Contractor license bonds are not insurance. They protect your customers and the state by guaranteeing you follow Arizona's contractor laws, and the registrar can pull payment from the bond if you don't. Here's what Arizona electricians need to know. First, the bond amount depends on your license type. Residential specialty electrical contractors, that's the R11 classification, need a bond between $4,250 and $7,500. Commercial specialty electricians, the C11 classification, range from $2,500 up to $50,000, depending on projected volume. Second, you don't pay the full bond amount up front. You pay an annual premium, typically 1 to 5% of the bond amount. So a $5,000 bond might only cost $50 to $250 a year, depending on your credit. Third, this isn't optional for meaningful work. Arizona requires a license for any electrical contract over $1,000 in total value. Below that, and you're violating state law. Fourth, the ROC doesn't go easy on unlicensed work. A first offense is a Class 1 misdemeanor, up to 6 months in jail and a $2,500 fine. Do it again, and it becomes a Class 6 felony, up to 2 years in prison. Fifth, don't forget the separate bond. The Arizona Department of Revenue may also require a taxpayer bond for transaction privilege tax, calculated at 4 to 14 times your average monthly tax liability, with a $5,000 minimum. Your ROC license itself renews every 2 years, so mark your calendar. The single most important thing to remember: your license bond amount is tied directly to your classification and projected volume, so know your numbers before you apply, or your application will stall. Go to www.iboaz.com for a quote or call 4808-121-998 and speak to a knowledgeable agent.